Good morning, Jai Hind students. This is Pawan Kumar. Today I will teach the topics metrics and questions related to metrics. Uh, where today I will discuss about to find out the inverse of matrix of order 2 cross 2 and also 3 cross 3 both. So come to the topics, students. Suppose we have a questions. Question: find the inverse of matrix find the inverse of matrix 310 27 by using row transformation method. By using row transformation method. Row transformation method. One important point, that is row transformation method. This is row transformation method. By using row transformation method, we have to find out the inverse of the given matrix, that is 3, 10, 2, 7. So solution is here. Suppose students, let capital A be a given matrix such that capital A is equal to 3, 10, 2, 7. This is of order 2 plus 2. So let B is the inverse of A such that B is equal to A inverse. Therefore, A times A inverse is equal to identity matrix of order 2 plus 2. So, put the values of A. 3, 10, 2, 7 into A inverse is equal to I2. I2 means identity matrix of order 2. This is 1, 0 and 0, 1. So now, first of all, we have to make 1 at the place of 3, because when I will see this matrix, intersection of first row and first columns, that is 3, and we have to make 1, that is unity. Unity means 1. So how you will make 1? With the help of row, because this is given row transformation method. This method is row transformation method. Row transformation method, in which in this method we will see only row, and we have to set first row and then column element 0. Then we have to set 3 as 1. Then what we have to do? See student, this is R1. At the place of R1, that is 3 and 10, 2 and 7 at the place of R2. So if you will subtract R1, R1 replaced by R1 minus R2. So see the formula. We are going to make the formula R1 tends to R1 minus R2. So this formula is applicable on both matrix. So R1 is converting R1 tends to R1 minus R2, that is 1, and this is 3, and 2, 7 copied. So this is A inverse. So is equal to R1 tends to R1 minus R2, that is 1, and this is minus 1, and copy it 0 1. So student, this is the second step of calculation. So come to the next step. See everyone, we have to set 0 at the place of 2. Columns element we have to set 0 excluding 1. So we have to, so this is R1 minus 3 times R2. R1 tends to R1 minus 3 times R2. Result goes to R1 is here, R1 minus 3 times R2, R1 minus 3 times R2, that is 0, and R1 minus 3 times R2, that is 3 times R1 tends to R1 minus 3 times R2, 0, and this is 1. Similarly, follow the step for second matrix. Result is R1 minus 3 times R2, that is 1 minus 6, that is 7. Check it. So student, we have to set 0. So R1 tends to R1 minus 3 times R2. So R1 will be here. So 1 minus 3 times R2, that is 0. 3 minus 3 times R2, that is 0. And 0 1 is here. So A inverse is equal to R1 minus 3 times R2 means 1 plus 3 times 2, that is 1 minus 3 times 2, that is 7, and 1 minus 3 times 2, that is minus 10, and this is minus 2 and 3. So this is inverse of matrix, that is 7, minus 10, minus 2, 3. So this is the inverse of matrix A. 7 minus 10, 2, minus 2 and 3. So this is the answer. So now student, today I will discuss again row transformation method of inverse of matrix A of order 3 cross 3. Element is 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, and 3 minus 2, 2. So we have to find out the inverse. So solution is here. See everyone. Let B is the inverse of A such that B is equal to A inverse. Therefore, AB is equal to I. This implies A times A inverse is equal to I. So put the value here. 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, and 3 minus 2, 2 into A inverse is equal to identity matrix of order 3 cross 3, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So first of all we have to make intersection of first row and first column elements identity, that is 1 unity. So R1 tends to R1 minus R2, suppose, then R1 minus R3, not R1 minus R2, R1 minus R3. Result will be R1 tends to R1 minus R3, that is minus 1, that is minus 1, and that is R1 minus R3, that is 1. Similarly, 2, 2, 3, copy the elements, and 3 minus 2 and 2. A inverse is equal to R1 minus R3 1, R1 minus R3 0. This is minus 1, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. So student, we have to set 1. So here is minus 1. So multiply R1 tends to minus 1 times R1. R1. So next step is here. R1 tends to minus 1 times R1. See the formula. R1 tends to minus 1 times R1. So result will be 1 1 minus 1, 2 2 3, 3 minus 2 2 into A inverse is equal to, this is minus 1, 0 and 1, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. After converting R1 tends to R1 minus 1 times R1, so result is minus 1 0 1 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So next we have to do column element 0 below the unity element 1. So what will have to do? Column elements I have to do 0. I have to set 0. So result will be, suppose R2 is 2 and R1 is 1. So R2 tends to R2 minus 2 times R1. R2 tends to R2 minus 2 times R1. So result will be R2 minus 2 times R1. R1 will fix. R2 minus 2 times R1 0. R2 minus 2 times R1, this is 0. R2 minus 2 times R1, that is 3 minus 2 times minus this, that is 5. Check it. And 3 minus 2 2, copy. Similarly, R2 tends to R2 minus 2 times R1. R1 will be copy here. And R2 tends to R2 minus 2 times R1, that is 2. R2 minus 2 times R1, that is 1. R2 minus 2 times R1, that is minus 2. And 0 0 1. Now we have to set 0 at the place of 3. So see, R3 tends to R3 minus 3 times R1. R3 is changing, so R1 R2 will be fixed. So student, R3 minus 3 times R1, R1 1 1 minus 1 0 0 5, and R3 minus 3 times R1 0, R3 minus 3 times R1, that is minus 5, and R3 minus 3 times R1, that is 5, into A inverse is equal to R1 copy minus 1 0 1 2 1 minus 2, and R1 minus 3 times R3 minus 3 times R1, that is 3, R3 minus 3 times R1 0, R3 minus 3 times R1, that is minus 2. Check it. So student, now we have to set 1 at the place of 0. At the place of 0 we have to set 1. So what we have to do? This is minus 5. Suppose R3 tends to R3 by minus 5, or this one can be written as minus 1 by 5 R3. So result is 1 1 minus 1 0 0 5, and this is 0, this is 1, and this is minus 1, into A inverse is equal to minus 1 0 1 2 1 minus 2, and this is 3 by minus 5, this is 0, and this is 2 by 5. See, check it student. 0 1 minus 1 divide by 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Result is 3 by 5 0 2 by 5. See the result. So interchange R2 interchange R3. So result will be R2 interchange R3. Result will be 1 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 0 5. A inverse is equal to minus 1 0 1 minus 3 5 0 3 by 5 0 2 by 5, and 2 1 minus 2. So with the help of 1 we have to set 0. So student, we have to set 0. So R1 tends to R1 minus R2. So result will be here. R1 tends to R1 minus R2 1, R1 minus R2 0, and R1 minus R2, that is also, this is R1 1 minus 1 plus 1, that will be 0. And R2 and R3 will be copied here, 1 minus 1 and 0 0 5 into A inverse is equal to R1 tends to R1 minus R2 means minus 1. This is minus 1 plus 3 by 5, that is minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. This is 0. And this is 1 minus 2 by 5. Result will be 3 by 5. So student, if I will apply R3 tends to R3 by 5, then result will be 1. We have to make unity at the place of intersection of R3 and C3. Third row and third column intersection we have to make 1, and there is 5 value, so we have to divide by 5 in R3, means third row. So first row and second row will copy it, result is this, and in third row divide by 5, result will be 0 by 5, that is 0, 0 by 5, 0, 5 by 5, that is 1. Similarly 2 divided by 1 by 5 means 5, that is 2 by 5. 1 divided by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 divided by 5, that is minus 2 by 5. So result is here, we have to make 0 at minus 1. So R3 tends to, or R2 tends to, we can set formula R2 tends to R2 plus R3. Suppose R2 tends to R2 plus R3. Then R1 copy here, 1 0 0, R2 plus R3 0, R2 plus R3 1, R2 plus R3, that is 0. So 0 0 1. A inverse is equal to R1 is copy, minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, and R2 plus R3, result will be minus 1 by 5. R2 plus R3, result is 1 by 5, and R2 plus R3, result is 0. And a third row copy, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5. So we have made identity matrix in left of order 3 cross 3. So answer is means the inverse of 2 minus 3 3, 2 2 3, and 3 minus 2 2 is minus 2 by 5 0, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 0, and 2 by 5 1 by 5, and minus 2 by 5. This is the answer. This is the answer. So now student, today I will discuss about inverse of matrix using column transformation method. How will you find out the inverse of matrix? Through the column transformation method. Column transformation method is the method in which we see, or we can change every elements of a given matrix using column method. Through the column we have to convert identical part. So come to the question. This is the question. We have to find out the inverse of matrix using column transformation method. So student, matrix A is given, that is 2 0 minus 1, 5 1 0, and 0 1 3. This is of order 3 cross 3. So student, let us consider capital B. Capital B is the inverse of matrix capital A, such that B is equal to A inverse. B is equal to A inverse. This implies we can say A into A inverse goes to identity matrix of order 3 cross 3, that is I3, and I3 value everyone know 1 0 0 0 1 0 and a 0 0 1. So copy the matrix A and write down A inverse. So 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 and 0 1 3. So first of all we have to make identical number, that is 1, at the intersection of first column and first row. So intersection first column and first row, that is 2. So we have to make 2, that is 1. So how it can be done? When we will subtract column 1 minus column 3. This is column 1 and this is column 3. So column 1 minus column 3 अगर हम करते हैं और कॉलम 1 माइनस 3 करते हैं तो ये रिजल्ट हमारा 1 आ जाएगा, सॉरी 3 आ जाएगा. लेकिन कॉलम 1 प्लस कॉलम 3 करते हैं, if you will add the column 1 and column 2 3, see C1 tends to C1 plus C3. So 2 plus minus 1, 2 plus minus 1, that result goes to 1. So 5 plus 0, that is 5, and 0 plus 3, that is 3. So I have changed the column by using the formula. Similar process we can do for second matrix, identical matrix in right hand side. So 1 plus 0, that is 1, 0 plus 0, that is 0, and 0 plus 1, that is 1. Copy this A inverse. So in second step we have to make 0 0 in first row. In first row we have to make 0 0 all the elements excluding 1. So how it can be done? 0 is already here, so you will copy it. See, this we have to do 0. So if you will add column 3, column 1, so C3 we have to convert. C3 tends to C3 plus C1, means minus 1 plus 1 result 0. Similarly 0 plus 5, that is 5, and 3 plus 3, that is 6. Next, same formula we have to apply on second matrix, that is C3 plus C1, means C3 is here and C1 is here. So 0 plus 1, that is 1, 0 plus 0, that is 0, and 1 plus 1, that is 2. So copy the first and second column on both sides. Similarly, this is 0 and 1. This is the identical part. So first of all we have to make 1, since already here is 1. So we have to make 0 and 0. So by using this one we have to set 0. So how? C1 tends to C1 minus C3. Suppose C1 tends to C1 minus C3. Then 1 minus 0, that is 1, and 5 minus 5, that is 0, and 3 minus 6, that is minus 3. So this is minus 3. Therefore copy A inverse. Similar process, C1 minus C3 means 1 minus 1, that is 0, 0 minus 0, that is 0, and 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So C2 and C3 we have to copy. C2 and C3 we have to copy. So now come to the third steps. We have to make 0 this 5. This 5 we have to make 0. So how it can be done? Using this identical part. So C3 tends to C3 minus 5 times C2. So C3 tends to C3 minus 5 times C2. With the help of C2, we have to change C3 because there is identical part 1. So C2 tends to C3 tends to C3 minus 5 times C2. So calculation is here. C3 is changing, so C1 and C2 will be copied. C1 and C2 is copied. Then change C3. C3 minus 5 times C2. 0 minus 5 times C2, that is 0. And 5 minus 5 times, that is 0. And 6 minus 5 times 1, that is 1. Similarly, C3, 1 minus 5 times C1, that is 1. And 0 minus 5 times 0, that is 0 minus 5 times, 0 minus 5 times 1, that is minus 5. Similarly, C3 means 2 minus 5 times 0, that will be 2. So now come to the next steps. This is identical part. R1 and R2 completed in identical part. So we have to convert 1 and minus 3 in the form of 0 and 0. We have to set 0, 0, excluding this one because this one will helpful to change 0, 0 in R3. So we have to set 0. So C2 column is here. So C2 tends to C2 minus C3. If I will make the formula, by using this formula, it can be done, that is 0. So C2 tends to C2 minus C3. C2 is changing, so C1 and C3 will be copied. So C2 tends to C2 minus C3 means 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1 and 1 minus 0, 1. Similarly, 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. 1 minus minus 5, that is 6. And 0 minus minus 2, that is minus 2. So third column copied. Similarly, we have to set minus 3 to 0. So C1 minus 3 belongs to C1. So C1 tends to C1 plus 3 times C3. So C1 tends to C1 plus 3 times C3. C3 is here. This is 1. With the help of 1, we have to set 0. So C1 tends to C3 times C3. C1 plus 3 times 0, that is 1. And C1 plus 3 times 0, that is 0. Minus 3 plus 3 times 1, that is 0. So C2 and C3 copied here. Next, for second matrix, C1 tends to C1 plus 3 times C3. C1 tends to C1 plus 3 times C3 means 3. C1 plus 3 times C3 means minus 15 because 3 5s are 15, that is minus sign. So minus 15. So minus 1 plus 3 times 2, that is minus 1 plus 6, result goes to 5. So minus 1 6 2 and 1 5 minus 5 2 copied. So this becomes identical part, identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. So A inverse will be equal to 3 minus 1 1, 15 minus 6 6, 15 6 minus 5 and 5 minus 2 and 2. So this is A inverse. So this is the answer using column transformation method.